Late Justice Koome, you and I have come a long way. I know you. You have served this country in very many capacities. This is now an opportunity for you to serve as the Chief Justice. One thing I will tell you is that you go to a very demanding office, extremely demanding, but you are up to it. And as I said, I know you, you are a prayerful woman. When you pray, you will get things sorted out. The Deputy Chief Justice and all the other judges are pledged to support you. Council are pledged to support you. So there is really no worry whatsoever. You will be able to deliver. All you need to do is to cooperate with them, and you will deliver. One great important thing, Chief Justice, please keep reminding all of us, everybody, that constitutional power is constrained power, so that everybody keeps to his or her lane. We have a wonderful country. When you speak to foreigners, and sometimes they see the kind of things we do, they just marvel and see, look, I mean, how can you do this? You have a great nation, a great, great nation. Let us give Justice Koome the support she requires, and let us all do our part, and we will move forward as a nation. Mine is to congratulate you heartily and wish you all the best. I have already called you before. I've sent you messages. I want to wish you all the best. I saw your family here. I saw your beloved husband, and I'm sure everybody will give you all the support that you require.